Hello. Hi. I stopped you because the car is coming back as an abandoned vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yes. What car is it?
It's my dad's car, but
okay. Did he have it towed in like Miami?
It was towed in Miami. Okay. I had it towed in Miami and we had to get it back.
Okay, so you were driving it in Miami?
Yes.
Okay.
And he knows he had to get the whole thing notarized.
I gotta confirm it with Miami because they're the ones that entered it into the system.
Okay.
So when a car gets towed and the owner is not present, they usually enter it as an abandoned vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's going in the system, so cops that run up, if the cop runs your tag, it's gonna pop up as an
Oh, wow. Okay,
yeah.
I got towed like a month ago, so I'm surprised this is the first time.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna have them confirm it and get that taken out of the system, and I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
A young woman was pulled over by the officer who claimed her car was flagged as an abandoned vehicle due to a prior towing incident in Miami. Under Florida statutes section 320.02, all motor vehicles must be properly registered, but a towing record does not automatically make a vehicle abandoned. The officer seemed friendly, making small talk about her car, the heat, and even her personal life. However, this was not just a routine stop. It was a setup.
What's going on? Not much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Drive home.
Oh, yeah? All right. I'm just her backup, so just seeing what's going on. So what happened? So where was this car?
It was in Miami. I went down to get a tattoo and I parked in front of the fire hydrant and I didn't realize that was the fire hydrant.
You don't want to mess with the boys.
Yeah, and within 5 minutes of me being there, it was towed.
So we just gotta sit here and wait a little bit.
Okay.
What was that?
I'm so sorry, my car's a little messy.
Listen, this is not messy compared to what kind of cars I see on a daily basis.
Oh,
You're fine. You're good. Have you been pulled over before?
I have been.
Oh, okay.
Back in 2018.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want you to be like nervous.
Oh no, I'm okay.
Okay. I had people to cry.
Oh,
all the time.
Last time.
Yeah.
I was speeding, so I got
okay. I'm gonna ask you a question, alright? Mind if I search the car? Okay. You hang out with her. Okay.
Can I ask why you guys are searching the car?
She asked.
Okay.
As the conversation continued, the officer subtly shifted the focus from the vehicle to her personal habits. Under the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, no person shall be compelled to be a witness against themselves in a criminal case. Yet, the officer casually asked about vaping, marijuana use, and whether she had a medical marijuana card. She admitted to smoking the previous day, unaware that this would soon be twisted against her.
Do you vape or is it?
I do.
It's bad for
I know.
You should not vape. Do you use like flavors or?
Yeah, it's just men.
The ring.
Oh, thank you. My dad gave it to me.
Very nice. Just get off work or working out or?
No, I just got a haircut. Actually, I work at 4. So.
And I wish it would cool off.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's when I get into my car, because in my driveway, the sun just beats right down in it.
Sun visor.
I do have one in the back seat. I just always forget when I'm coming from work to put it up.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I do not.
No. Do you ever smoke weed?
I have.
How long has it been since you smoked weed?
I smoked yesterday.
Did you? You don't use it in your vape, do you?
No, I don't.
I'm still waiting to hear back. We sent the confirmation out to Miami to have it removed from the system. I'm still waiting to hear back if they had it done yet. Now you know not to park in front of a fire hydrant.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, my dad was fucking furious. It's just an eyelash brush.
You got a lot of these.
Yeah, I get my eyelashes done and she gives me some every time I go.
Like, dang, what are these?
Yeah, they're just for my eyelashes.
Yeah, I bet your car gets really hot.
Oh my God, I can't even touch my steering wheel.
What have you ever done? She read anything or no?
No.
I did have a weed pen in my car.
You have a weed pen?
And I really...
Hold on. Alright, if we're gonna talk about anything like a weed pen, I gotta read you your rights, okay? Or you mean you're under arrest? It doesn't mean you're under arrest. It just means I have to read your rights. We're gonna talk about it, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions, okay? Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, okay? You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements during the question, okay? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any question, okay? If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer the questions, you are privileged to remain silent, do you understand? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement simply of your own free will, do you understand? Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Did you understand those rights? That's not a weed pen, right?
No, it's not.
That's just your vape pen?
It is.
Why do you carry it right there?
I usually don't, but I had it in my lap when I was driving and I didn't have anywhere to
Yeah, she said she has a marijuana pen in there.
had fake IDs.
And you have fake IDs.
They are mine. They're in my name.
They're what?
They're in my name. They're mine.
Oh, you had these made up.
They were ordered.
So you had them made up.
Not me personally, but
What do you mean not you personally?
my friend made.
You asked your friend for it? Because she's like, people don't usually just...
No, I know. Yeah. Okay. I was just saying I didn't physically make the order. But yes.
Yeah, you went there and asked her to have them made. You got 3 of them? Or was there more?
No, there's only that.
Do you have a tester? Or no?
Yeah, I do. 4.1.
Okay. So, what was the deal with those?
They were in my purse.
No, I get the obvious, but what's the, I guess, what are they for?
I don't know. I have them. My friends got them because we're all in college, and they want me to come and visit them in college.
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm going to be 21 in 6 months, 5 months.
The officer then asked about an item in her possession, a small penny container, before suddenly switching to a formal arrest procedure. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966, law enforcement must inform a suspect of their rights before custodial interrogation. The officer read her rights, implying she had already incriminated herself. Moments later, the officer discovered her fake ID, which she explained was ordered by her friends. Despite being in her name and not used for fraud, the officer escalated the situation, treating her like a criminal mastermind.
The marijuana card or anything like that?
Where did you get it from?
One of my friends.
Your friend ordered, like, your friend bought it for you?
Yes, I don't know.
Sounds like your friends do a lot for you.
That they probably shouldn't keep it.
Yeah.
I know, it's hot. It's already purple.
Oh yeah.
It's positive.
What's your phone?
It's a felony to be in possession of fraudulent driver's licenses and the marijuana vape pen. Okay. So unfortunately, I do have to place you under arrest.
She's in the notes, right?
Yes.
Number 6.
Life in this for me. I think it's small.
The female in the notes, she's going to be 1015 for signal 18.
We're gonna come back to the car. You still have your gloves on. I know she's not wearing much in this shirt.
Yeah, and then her neck.
Yeah, and her earrings.
Yep. Knock off your shoe for me. It's like you almost knew that I was looking in that purse. Right? It's okay, you can be honest.
Yes.
It's not my first day. I know it's here.
I'm not a bad kid.
I know you're not. Here. But I want this to be a lesson for you, okay?
Yes, I'm right here.
Okay. So, and that should be even more so of a lesson. You know, it's not our first day on the road, all right? I know, but here's the thing. Well, I'll look. Yeah, like body sprays and stuff like that. But I'll
After confirming the presence of a THC product and a fake ID, the officer arrested her. Under Florida statutes section 322.212, possessing a fake ID is illegal only if used for fraudulent purposes. There was no proof she had ever used it unlawfully, yet the officer made it seem like a serious crime. The officer's entire strategy was based on manipulating a casual conversation into an admission of guilt. This was not law enforcement. This was entrapment disguised as friendly banter. She was charged with possessing counterfeit IDs and a controlled substance. Her charges were later dismissed after she completed 75 hours of community service at a nonprofit of her choice. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.